Hello friends, today we are dealing with the important factor which affect on enzyme activity, that is substrate concentration. The rate or velocity of a reaction is the number of substrate molecule converted to product per unit time. Velocity is usually expressed as micromole of product formed per minute. The rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction increases with substrate concentration until maximum velocity is reached. Leveling up of the reaction rate at high substrate concentration shows the saturation with substrate of all available binding sites on the enzyme molecule present. This is known as saturation effect and interestingly exhibited by all enzymes. Most enzymes show saturation kinetics in which the plot of initial reaction velocity against substrate concentration is hyperbolic. In contrast, allosteric enzymes frequently show a sigmoidal curve. In setting up experimental conditions for assaying enzyme activity, one should always use optimum pH and saturating level of substrate concentration, because only under saturating levels of substrate concentration the enzyme activity proportional to enzyme concentration and independent of substrate concentration. This is the diagrammatic representation of effect of substrate concentration on enzyme activity, which shows hyperbolic curve. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.